Today we are taking the Hobbit unit test. I'll be reading the questions to you and you can go ahead and answer the questions, and then you can pause the video if you need to think about it and go on to the next question when you're ready. So question number 1. Which of the following is a characteristic of a novel? A. It can typically be read in one sitting. B. It is written in poetry. C. It expresses more than one theme. Once you've answered the question, go on to the next page. Question number 2. What inspired J.R.R. Tolkien to write The Hobbit? A. He based the story on his own travels and the myths he learned as a kid. B. He based the story on a Shakespeare play. C. He based the story on a dream he had as a child. Okay, let's go on to question number 3. You can always pause this video if you need to take longer time answering the question. Question number 3. At the beginning of this story, what word best describes Bilbo? A. Bold. B. Afraid. C. Funny. Question 4. Read the passage carefully. Let's have no more argument. I have chosen Mr. Baggins, and that ought to be enough for all of you. If I say he's a burglar he is, or will be when the time comes. There is little more in him than you guess. There is a lot more in him than you guess, and a deal more than he has any idea of himself. You may possibly all live to thank me yet. Why does Gandalf believe that Bilbo will make a good burglar? A. Gandalf sees the value in people that others do not. B. Gandalf secretly knows that Bilbo is a strong fighter. C. Gandalf can see into the future. Question 5. How does the setting change as the group travels further away from the safety of Bag End? A. It becomes even more beautiful. B. It becomes darker and more dangerous. C. It becomes more modern and city-like. Question 6 is matching. Your matching may not be exactly the same as mine, so just make sure that you are following your own matching. On his journey, Bilbo meets many characters. Match the character to their description. So the character choices is Thorin, Bard, Gollum, Beorn, and Smaug. And there's different answer choices. Which one was a kind, gentle man that turned into a giant bear when upset? Which one is a creature so obsessed with his gold ring that he lives alone in a cave? Which one is a dwarf looking to reclaim his lost treasure and title of king under the mountain? Which one is the brave man of Lake Town that killed a dragon? And which one is a clever dragon that lives in the lonely mountain with the dwarf's stolen gold? When you're finished matching, go ahead and move to the next page. Question 7. What strength does Bilbo not use in his riddle battle with Gollum? A. Cleverness. B. Bravery. C. Physical strength. Next question. Question number 8. How did the dwarves' opinion of Bilbo change as they travel together? So how does the dwarves' opinion of Bilbo change as they travel together? A. The dwarves come to respect Bilbo's cleverness and bravery. B. The dwarves find Bilbo more and more annoying to travel with. Or C. The dwarves find Bilbo fun because he sings songs and tells jokes. Question 9 is matching as well. So you're going to match the conflict in the story, the problem in the story, to the type of conflict. So we have over here character versus self, character versus character, and character versus nature. So which one shows each example? Bilbo and the dwarfs become completely lost in the dark, confusing Mirkwood forest. Bilbo is very afraid to walk into the dragon's chamber, but he makes himself do it anyway. Thorin uses molten gold to fight Smaug for control of the Lonely Mountain. So remember, these might be different for you, so make sure that you are choosing the correct one. Question 10. Read the passage closely. The dwarfs looked at him with quite a new respect when he talked about dodging guards, jumping over Gollum, and squeezing through as if it was not very difficult or very alarming. Which theme does this passage develop? A. Good always overcomes evil. B. Greed leads people to make poor decisions. C. Never judge someone by their appearance. They may surprise you with the things they can do. Question 11. Read the passage carefully. There is more in you of good than you know, child of the kindly West, some courage and some wisdom, blended in measure. If more of us valued food and cheer and song above hoarded gold, it would be a merrier world. What theme is revealed in the passage above? A. Courage comes from challenging yourself. B. Is more important to value people over things like gold. C. When someone has wronged you, forgive them. Question 12. Which detail from the text best supports the theme that greed can be destructive? A. Thorn refuses to share his treasure, beginning the battle of the 5 armies. B. Bilbo asks for only 2 chests of gold because he feels he does not need more. Or C. Bjorn seems frightening but offers his home to the traveling dwarves as a place to rest. Question 13. In the space below, summarize how Bilbo changed from the beginning to the end of the story. So you're going to type in here how Bilbo acted in the beginning of the story and how he changed throughout the story until the end. Once you are finished with all of the questions, make sure you save all of your responses and submit your quiz.